Hi, welcome to the first of three short little videos to show you how you can do different things within Scratch to make sure that your game is looking awesome. My name's Pip and I'm one of the lecturers in Strathfield and North Sydney. So first up, the first thing you need to know is that your stage, which is the background for your Scratch, should be 480 by 360. So go into Canva, best place to do this, and make yourself an actual stage that is 480 by 360. Hit design and then bring in an image that you want to use. So I'm going to pop into my uploads and I'm going to choose to upload an image that's on my computer. I know that I've got one floating around in my pictures somewhere, and it's probably in here somewhere. Where is it? This one here. So I'm going to make something with a boy chasing a girl around a classroom. So I need to have a nice little background. Give it a second. That's just coming through. Let's pull that out, pop it onto the screen, and then make it the size that I want it to be. All right, this is my classroom last year. It was the best. I loved it. All right, so I've made that the right size. I'm now just going to give it a title and call it Classroom. Choose OK. Then I'm going to choose Download. And I'm going to download as a PNG. The reason I'm going to download as a PNG, and I always do this, is that if there's transparent bits, they're going to stay transparent. And that's really important. So that's downloading. While that's happening, I'm going to head over to Scratch and I'm going to choose Create. You should have started working with those 6 projects by now. And this should not be too unfamiliar for you. All right, so it's creating my little Scratch base project. And the first thing I want to do is give it a title. So I'm going to call this Cat and Mouse. Alrighty, and then in the stage, I am going to import. See, I have these 4 options underneath the blue. Click on the stage, blue appears, choose to upload. It's in my downloads button. Very, very busy downloads, guys. Didn't think through that one, did I? No. Where are we? Oh, there it is, Classroom. Choose open. That's going to pop it in there. And then next we're going to get rid of the cat. I swear my teenagers are sucking the internet out of me. All right, let's go. While that's happening, there we go. So I have my background. Now I'm going to get rid of my cat. So I'm going to click on the sprite so that it's got, to make it active, it's got the blue around it. Then along the grey strip at the top, I'm going to click on the scissors and click on the cat. Gone. Too easy. So now I want to upload into here 2 pictures to chase each other. So I could just get them out of the library. Boring. I'm going to go and find some myself to use. So I'm going to pop into Icon Archive, and I think I might like to have a kangaroo chasing a koala. So, oh, there's a kangaroo. Click on the kangaroo. And I can choose to download. Seriously, you can resize stuff. So just download the one there. Just make sure PNG. And that way, all the transparent bits will be transparent. See how you got the little chessboard in the background? That means it's going to be transparent. So now I right click, save image as. I'm going to chuck it onto my desktop. That one goes there. And then I'm just going to go back. And the second thing I want to have is a koala. I don't know why the kangaroo is chasing the koala. It just is. Okay, so just go with me on this one. So once again, choose the 256, right click, save image as, chuck it onto my desktop. Good to go, back to my Scratch. So now I want to upload my koala and my kangaroo. So in the sprite area, I've got from the library, draw one, upload one. So I'm going to upload the kangaroo. You can only upload one at a time. You can't do a bulk upload. So we just wait a second. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much. So see how the transparent bits are transparent? Awesome, right? And then it's a bit big for me. And click on the shrink button at the top. Just while that's saving changes, just click on it to make it smaller. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is upload the koala. So that'll upload now. Yep. And we want to make that one smaller. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Fantastic. And do the same for the kangaroo. Click, 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 click. Okay, cool. Good to go. So the kangaroo can sit there and the koala can sit there. Okay, let's get some code happening. So I want to make it so that the kangaroo chases a koala. Can't guarantee I'm going to get this right, all right, but we're going to give it a go. So first up, I am going to go to an event and pull out a when clicked. Always pull out a when clicked. Once we've done that, I'm going to pull out a forever. So basically, when the flag is clicked, which is when the play button's clicked, forever, what you're going to do is point towards the mouse pointer, move 10 steps, go to the next costume, but we don't actually have any costumes, so we're not going to do that. We're going to play a drum sound, play a drum beat, and we're going to call it drum beat number 62, just because I know these things. And we're going to do it for 0.3 seconds. Whoops, not 0.3, 0.3. Okay, so now if I come over here and press play, oh, the koala's moving. Can you see how he's moving? Towards where the mouse is. Yep, excellent. So what I want to do to stop him spinning around though, click on the little eye, and I'm going to turn the rotation style to left and right only. So now when we press the play button, see, he's chasing me, but he's not spinning around anymore. Fantastic. Just click on him, move him back to where you want him to be. Okay, so the koala's chasing the kangaroo, I think. Alrighty, the next thing we're going to do then is we are going to put some code onto the kangaroo. So I click on the kangaroo, I choose when the flag is clicked. I'm going to do a forever, another forever, because I just want him to keep doing it. And then I'm going to add in here, go to mouse pointer and point toward, change this drop down to koala icon. So whatever sprites you've got there will be an option. So now if I press the play button, can you see? The kangaroo is on my mouse. And there's the Herbert chasing the mouse. Yeah? All right. We stop that. I'm just going to bring him back here. Uh-oh, he's in the wrong way. Let me just spin him back around again. There we go. Beautiful. Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay, that goes there. So now we have it. So what I want to do next is just quickly say, I'm going to go back to the koala. Yes. And I'm going to add, if you touch the kangaroo, then do something. So underneath this play drum, I'm going to slide that little if inside the forever, and we're going to pop into the sensing, and I'm going to grab, if you are touching the kangaroo icon, then say, gotcha, caught you, and say that for just 1 second. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Oh, so he's chasing, and when he catches, got you, just for 1 second. And we move, got you. Okay, cool. So basically that's the end of the first section. We've uploaded an image that we created in Canva, 480 by 360. We then went to Icon Archive and found some icons to use. We then added some code to those icons so that they're chasing each other around. I'm going to come back in a second and we'll show you the next bit.